Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to upload your profile picture on your OneDrive account. So for that guys, first of all you have to log into your account on OneDrive and then select your name initials, which is on your topest right corner. Now select your this icon. Now select add a photo. Now select your profile picture and then select on open, and you can also zoom in according to yourself, and you can also now scroll down and select on save, and now select on close. And that's how you guys can see that your profile picture has been updated right here. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video. Now if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.